Miharmle Machinery Technology Co. Limited. The company's production base is located known as Bowang District, Ma'anshan City, known as the first town of die-cutting machine tools in China. The company covers an area of about 20,000 square meters, a total of 2 production plants, a total of 4 production workshops. The production workshop is more than 10,000 square meters and now has more than 50 sets of various processing equipment. The company specializes in the production of sheet metal and ventilation equipment, fire damper production equipment, air duct production line, CNC angel steel production line, shearing machine, folding machine, bite machine, common plate flange machine, and other products, widely used in air duct, decoration, machinery, aviation, and other professional production fields. Cooperative part suppliers mainly include Siemens, Mitsubishi, Omron, Schneider, etc. Hammer has passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and the CE certification of several products. Our business service process, pre-sales consultation, quotation service plan, order through ERP, production and processing, assembly, commissioning, loading and transportation, export, customer acceptance, and after-sales services such as remote video or on-site commissioning and installation training. At present, the company's products are mainly exported to more than 50 countries and regions in the world, such as Europe, America, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and South America. Mission: to provide professional solutions for the global sheet metal processing industry. Vision: to become the world's top 100 sheet metal processing equipment suppliers. Values: customer first, quality first, struggle-oriented,